Look at this yard sale.
It's not a yard sale. It's all pretty organized.
Yeah, it looks it. You ready?
Why do I already feel stoned?
Hey, what's going on, everyone? Just got done a 5-hour drive and arrived here at Spruce Knob in West Virginia. Looking to rip a 17.5-mile, 2-day, 1-night trip. I might be an idiot for driving this far for an overnighter, but I am an adventurous idiot. Weather is absolutely beautiful. It's probably a 10 to 15 mile an hour breeze, 70 degrees, sunny. Expecting good weather tonight and tomorrow as well. Excited to be here. Oh my god! Oh, dude, I didn't try that.
I'm sorry, man. I didn't try that.
Here's the wreckage from an old plane crash. Pretty wild. Man, some scary shit. All right, so literally every campsite we've come across here so far has been full. I guess that's what you get when you're hiking on a Saturday. It's beautiful out and you don't get started till about 1:30 in the afternoon. So we're hiking a bit further than we had anticipated or wanted to. It's about 7:30 now, so I have about another hour here till it's dark in the woods. And yeah, we'll try to make the best of it. All right, not bad at all. Good news is as many people that are here, there are a lot of campsites. All right, I'm gonna set up and enjoy a nice evening here. I think I got the meat sweats from that big bag of shepherd's pie. I'm roasting.
I can't use my foot to break sticks.
Nice. Oh yeah, man, this is nice.
These chairs are tight.
Yeah.
That's good right there.
we go. Day 2, back on trail. About 7 miles, back to the car. Slow, gradual uphill the whole way. Any input there, Nick?
Yeah.
Anything worth
I
saying?
do have some input for this morning. On our last hike, Joe and I believe it was in New Hampshire, I used my Sawyer squeeze, and I didn't check the flow rate before I left on this hike. And I came out and it was barely pushing water. Luckily, I used Joe's, but point of advice is check your water filtration or back flush it after every hike or every couple hikes. It had pretty good flow last time, so I'm not sure what's going on with it, but that's a little point of advice for you, especially if you're doing solo hikes.
Also, there's way too many people and this hike kind of sucks.
But you guys should all come here. We're ready for Montana.
Anyway, it's a beautiful morning.
Oh, the saga of hiking with a YouTube backpacker. You have to hike and then wait, hike and then wait. He's got to get his shots down.
Another example of how the weather forecast was way off. Mountainforecast.com as of yesterday said that today was supposed to be sunny, plentiful sunshine, and breezy. We got total overcast, little to no breeze, and it's drizzling. It's beautiful in its own way, but it's no views on our way out of here, which is kind of a bummer, but all good. Easy hike. Yeah, it's pretty mellow. All done and all socked in.